Welcome to the HRM lecture, and today we are going to discuss the important topic of HRM, that is selection and recruitment. Selection is choosing the right candidate at right time at right place. So this is the diagram which is showing the complete picture in the HRM process and function. First of all, business objective is determined. Suppose a company decides to increase sales, then after that HR planning will be done, new hiring, new recruitment will be done. So for that, in case of HR planning, there are two aspects: quantitative aspects and qualitative aspects. So quantitative aspect tells us the number of employee required, but qualitative aspect tells us the skills, abilities and knowledge. It means qualities of employee is determined by qualitative analysis. So for that we do job analysis. So job analysis is qualitative aspect of HR planning. After doing job analysis, there are two outcomes: job description, job specification. Job description describe task, duty and responsibilities of employee, but job specification refers to job qualification required to do a job. So after job description and job specification, recruitment is done, and then selection process starts. So this is showing the process, sequential process, and where recruitment comes after job analysis, after qualitative aspect of HR planning. Now the question arises, what is recruitment? Recruitment is defined as the process of finding, attracting capable applicants for employment. The process begins when new recruits are sought and ends when the applicants are submitted. The result is a pool of applicants from which new employees are selected. According to Dale S. Beach, recruitment is the development and maintenance of adequate manpower resources. It involves the creation of a pool of available labor upon whom the organization can draw when it needs additional employees. So this picture is showing that in the selection process, the right candidate is chosen, filtering out the right candidate in the selection process. Now let us discuss the difference between recruitment and selection. So there are bases on which we can differentiate. We have taken over 6 bases, and we'll discuss the difference between recruitment and selection. For examination point of view, this is the important question. There may be question, what is the difference between recruitment and selection? Recruitment is the process of searching candidates for vacant job and making them apply for the same. Selection, it is the process of selection of right type of candidates and offering them jobs. Recruitment is positive process, whereas selection is negative process. The aim of recruitment process is to attract more and more candidates, and therefore we can say that it's a positive process, whereas selection, in case of selection, right candidate, most suitable candidate is chosen, so therefore it is a negative process when the employees are rejected. So in this case, employees are rejected, so therefore it's a negative process, but recruitment tries to invite more and more candidates. Now next point is procedure. Firm notifies the vacancies through various sources. There may be internal, external, etc. Selection. Firm asks the candidate to pass through number of stages of selection. So selection is the process of filtering out the right candidate. contract of service. There is no contractual relationship in case of recruitment, but whenever selection is done, there is contractual relationship between employee and employer. In case of recruitment, there is no such restriction on the number. So many candidates may apply, but in case of selection, only few candidates are selected. That's why I said earlier, it's a negative process, because those who are not selected in the process, this selection becomes negative for them. So this picture is showing that recruitment and selection are complementary to each other. We cannot say that recruitment is can be done without selection, or selection can be done without recruitment. Both are taken together, both steps are taken together to determine the quality personnel of the employee. This picture is showing that selection is picking up the odd one. Now let us discuss the recent trends in recruitment process. And the first is website or e-recruitment. Later on we will give examples of companies who are doing online recruitment process in this video lecture. So e-recruitment, website recruitment is also called e-recruitment because e refers to electronic recruitment, online recruitment. Many big organizations use internet as a source of recruitment. They advertise job vacancies through World Wide Web, www. Job seekers send their application or CV through email using the internet. Internship, it involves employment during summer before graduation from the college. It is also known as summer placement. Walk-in interview, under this method the employee can insert a walk-in advertisement in a daily newspaper or online. During the walk-in interview, the candidate may be asked to submit a formal application for the vacant post in the firm. Now outsourcing, next point is, fourth point is outsourcing. Under this arrangement, a company may draw the required personnel from the outsourcing firm or agency on temporary basis rather than offering them employment. This is also called leasing of human resources. The outsourcing firms develop their human resources pool by employing people for them and make available the personnel to various companies' clients as per their needs. The outsourcing firm get payment for their services to their clients and give salary directly to the personnel. Last, that is the most popular nowadays in the media, poaching or raiding. Poaching or raiding means employing a competent and experienced person already working with another reputed company which might be a rival in the industry. A company can attract talented personnel from another firm by offering attractive packages and other terms and conditions. So this is the picture which showing the companies who is hiring online or doing instructions, giving instructions and facilitating for online recruitment process, and the most popular is Indeed. And there are other also we can see in the picture, LinkedIn, Career Builder, Twitter, so many things. So many companies are doing online, and there are 500 more others also. So these are most popular one in this picture. Social networking sites, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. So we can also do recruitment process as a company. We can do recruitment process through this. But as from candidate point of view, from employee point of view, they can also search the vacancy on these social networking sites. Top HR company in India: Sutra HR, ABC, Edico, Aon Hewitt, CareerNet, Global Innov, IKEA, Kelly, Manpower Group. These are the top 10 HR company which is outsourcing the facilities of HR function. So these are HR outsourcing companies. Two more also, Randstad, TeamLease. Thank you. That's all for this lecture. We will discuss in the next part after some time. Thank you.